video, and for today's 30 days of Diwali, I'll be sharing my monthly favorites, and as far as I remember, this is my first time doing my monthly favorites, so that's nice. These are the products that I loved in September. Some of them are the products that I really love, like I use them every single time that I do my makeup or I wash my face, and some of them are the products that I had but I totally forgot about and I rediscovered. So yeah, it's going to be a long video and let's get started. So I'm going to first start with something that I just can't do my makeup without, which is my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, contour palette, whatever you call it. And if you can see, like, look at this closely, you can see it's completely scratched, or I should say it's loved. I just love it, I adore it. Every color is so beautiful. Just look at the way I need to clean it, but I love it. I have a lot of, like, I think 3-4 colors, whatever. This is what I have on my face today. So yeah. And speaking of makeup, I cannot do without this palette. So since I got it, this has been my favorite palette. So I am a huge fan of matte makeup. I love matte eyeshadows, and this is the palette that has amazing matte shadows, and the best part is they are not chalky. So yeah, these are all the colors that it comes with, and they also have this big size mirror so you can do your makeup. And if you see my videos, then you've already seen this maybe, because I've always used this palette to do my makeup. The mirror is amazing. And did I tell you the name? No, I'm so stupid. So the name of this palette is, it's the Balms Meet Matte Nude, and it is amazing. If you really want to buy just one palette, if you just want one palette in your collection, it has to be this one. Also in September, I actually used a serum, which I was reading about something and I realized that how important using a serum is, and I had this amazing one lying on my shelf and I was just not using it. This is a Biotique's serum, and it is from their advanced line. It is called Biotique Advanced BSL Cellular Youth Serum, and it is for all skin types. It comes in this cool little bottle, and you have this, what's it called, dropper. So yeah, that is that. So I put this serum on every single time that I wash my face, which is in the morning and at night, and I have seen a lot of difference in my skin. It makes my skin look like plumper, tighter, and I feel my skin is looking really bright, and it works on my pores as well. So you gotta try it. Like, it's amazing. It smells a little medicinal, but it's fabulous. So yeah, and while we are on the topic of washing our face, here is what I love for washing face. This is like everything in one kind of a product. This is mineral water, and it's called 3-in-1 Miracle Solution, I think. It's by Vichy. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but yeah, this is how it looks like. I actually have a full review on it. I have a full review on a lot of this stuff, which I'll try and link it here. I always say that I forget it, but this time I'm going to link it here. So yeah, I use this water for basically everything: to remove my makeup after I use baby wipes, to wash my face, to tone my face. And this is the best solution for all those girls who are very lazy when it comes to putting on product on their face, but you still want good skin. So yeah, and the best part, it deals with my acne. So I'm getting way less acne since I started using it. You have to try it. So yeah, but this is not a sponsored video, just saying. Okay, so some more skincare stuff, because I am totally in love with skincare, and please don't judge me for such dirty packaging, because I use them a lot. So I have more stuff from this Biotique's Advanced BXL line. So first one is their hydrating scrub, and it is for all skin types, and this is the packaging. And let me show you, it's really like green in color. Let me show you. Yeah, so that is, look at this. I've used almost all of it. It is an amazing scrub. It smells very medicinal, and it's like using jaddi booties on your skin, but it actually works like jaddi booties on your skin. Your skin, it leaves it very soft and clean, and get rid of all the blackheads and the whiteheads. It is not mild, but it is not like something that is going to rip your skin off. So I love it. I use it on a weekly, and I follow it up with a matching pack, which is Biotique's BXL Cellular Anti-Spot Pack. So I used to have basically a love-hate relationship with this pack, because it really tangles the skin to the limit that you really want to wash off. but it works amazingly. So you can see that I'm almost done with this as well. Is my camera focusing? Yeah. So yeah, this is the pack. It is kind of a clay mask that you put on and it dries, and this is amazing. It actually works very well on the acne scars. I have a lot of them under makeup, and this has handled a lot. So yeah, and now moving to, oh no, I have another skincare thing. Yeah, I was moving to makeup. But anyway, so it's not winter here in Delhi. Like, there's no way winter. It's so hot that you go out, you get that tan. I'm not talking about the tan that you want. I'm talking about the tan that you don't want. It's like funny, but yeah, it's that still that hot, but something has changed. So I'm getting this very dry skin, dry hands, and this is my solution to everything lately. I am loving it. I think I have a blog post on that as well. I'm going to tag it. Tag it? No, I'm going to put a link here. So it's called Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E, and oh my god, this stuff, it is fantastic. It smells so good, so good. Like, it's like I'm in a cookie shop. So yeah, that works very well. So that is that, and then moving to something that I am like really loving for my hair lately. It's called, shop's called BC Hair Therapy Cell Perfector Moisture Cake Spray Conditioner for normal to dry hair. So yeah, this was suggested to me by my hairstylist that I go to whenever I need to get my hair curled or cut or color, which Akram, hi if you're watching. So yeah, and he was actually using it on my hair, and I asked him, what are you doing? Because I have the kind of hair that don't want to get curled and they fall very easily. So he suggested that I use this in place of a normal conditioner whenever I want to like curl my hair the next day, so that my hair are soft and shiny, but they are not very smooth that the curl drops. So I used to use it only for that, but this stuff is so good that nowadays whenever I want to, you know, refresh my hair a little bit, or I think that my hair are not doing very well that day, I spray this on and it makes my hair look very smooth and shiny. And you know, you have those baby hair sticking up or like sometimes, and this handles that as well without making hair moist, like without making your hair greasy or oily or anything. Like, there's no change in the oiliness of the hair, but you will love it, and it smells so good. So if you're going on a date, just smell it for its fragrance. It is that amazing. Okay, next, I think now I have all beauty stuff almost. So 2 nail paints that I'm totally loving, and so I got a few questions also on what nail paints I've been wearing these days, and they're from Nykaa. Yeah, these are nail paints that I am totally, oh, this is, sorry, yeah, so these are the nail paints that I'm loving. I went to one of their events and they gave me like a big pack of nail paints. I have to say that these are not the best quality nail paints, like, so they might go a little streaky if you don't work with them really quickly, and they chip off pretty easily, but the colors are so pretty that you just have to use them. The first one which I use the most is this gray one. Actually, a friend of mine was also asking for it, so Shreya, if you're watching, this is the one that you're asking for. This is called Earl Grey Tea Cake 57, and it's a beautiful gray, perfect for any weather, even if you're in fall or winter or summer. This looks fantastic. And the next one, which is a kind of a lavender but in the gray family, is called Lavender Buttercream 54. Beautiful. Somebody left a comment on my last to last video that which nail paint was I wearing. This was the one. I love it. So if you get these nail paints, I think they're pretty inexpensive. So if you get them, what I do to make sure that they stay is that just put on a good top coat, and that works. So yeah, that was my little trick. Okay, another thing that I am obsessing over these days, and I feel such a fool that this was in my collection from past 1.5 years, and it was sitting in there nicely packed, and I never thought of using it because I was so happy with my brushes and everything, is this Real Techniques, what's it called? Blending sponge. It is amazing. I use it every single time I do my makeup. It gives such a natural, flawless look. So if you are like into brushes, just give this baby like 2-3 days to try and you will be obsessed, I'm telling you. So yeah, please don't judge, it's dirty because I have used it. It's not dirty, it's just love, okay? So yeah, that is that. And next thing is that I rediscovered, this is something that I loved for a month or two and then I forgot about it, which is my Fit Me powder. So I think I have a complete video on it. It is such a nice powder. It's very lightweight. It gives you that smooth finish, keeps oil at bay. So I rediscovered it and I'm loving it. Okay, so this is already a really long video. I need to rush. Just a few things. Then I am loving this lip liner. It's by Catrice and it is such a beautiful brown color. If you are really into the 90s trend, if you love the vintage kind of a trend that's going on, this is perfect. So yeah, that is that. So this coal was recently launched by Sugar Cosmetics and this definitely is the blackest coal that I've ever used. It is so pigmented. Like, it's so pigmented that you touch it on your waterline and it's there, and it is called Stroke Genius Heavy Duty Coal. This definitely is heavy duty. So that is something that I am using a lot lately. Then there's a brush. I love this stipple brush by e.l.f. It is so good. It is just perfect to put on your cream blushes. It is just fantastic. So I love that, and I am basically all about like nude lips, but whenever I want to put on a bright lipstick or a bright lip color, this is what I go for. It is by NYX and it is a soft matte lip cream, and I love the bright pink. It's called SMLC07. Okay, if it focuses. Yeah, such a beautiful pink. It literally brightens the entire look without looking very overboard, so I love it and I'm actually using it a lot. If you've seen my posts that I shot in September, this was something that I was using a lot. So my favorite lashes of all times is Ardell, but I got this Allure lashes and not saying that they're better than Ardell, but I'm really liking this particular style. I have another style that I totally hate. I don't want to use the word hate, but I don't really like it at all. But this is the style that I'm totally loving, and it comes with a glue. I don't have them on today for some reason, I don't know. But yeah, so they come with two pair of lashes, a glue which is of no use at all, and this tool which I have not tried. But the style, which is called 080, looks really nice on it. Gives you that doll kind of a look. And last and the best product that I am obsessing over this month is this fragrance. And this was given to me by my friend Shreya, my lovely friend Shreya. It was my birthday on the 18th of August. So she gave me this fragrance and she knows me pretty well. I have this issue that if a fragrance is really strong, I get headaches. And if the fragrance is really light, like what is the point of having it, because it goes away very quickly. So she selected this particular perfume for me and I'm going so crazy over it that I use it on my night clothes as well. So it's called Arden Beauty and it is so nice. It's like, you know, floral but not overly floral. It has a little bit of fruity, a little bit of sexy range to it, but it's very daytime wearable and I use it every single day. So yes, if you're watching, thank you so much Shreya, and you know I love you, and thank you so much for the amazing gift. And that is all for my September favorites. I hope you guys like the video. If you have any questions about the products that I shared in this video, you can leave it in the comment section. I will reply to every single one of you. And yeah, that should be all for today's video. I'm going to see you tomorrow again for the next video of 30 Days of Diwali.